But now let's review some examples of shadow work. Let's say that you are annoyed or irritated by a coworker that is outspoken and maybe overly confident in your opinion at work. They oftentimes speak out at meetings. They are used to taking space and time. I mean, you get annoyed by them. The way you would do shadow work in this case is that first you ask yourself, why is this bothering me? What is it about that person that annoys me, that triggers me? And then the second question you can ask yourself, what did I learn about this as a child? How was this thing not safe for me? And then number three, how can I consciously integrate or express this in a healthier way? If I already recognize what's the trigger, what is it about that person that may be bothering me, I can work on it better. And then the fourth step is that you stop reacting. You notice the trigger, but you don't act on that impulse. You don't get annoyed. Instead, you take a moment and reflect, this is triggering me. Let's find out more about where this is coming from and how can I work on it. So again, with that coworker, you may ask, okay, why is this bothering me? Maybe I know that they are annoying because they're speaking up, they're taking up space and time. What did I learn about this as a child? When I was a kid, my parents wanted me to be quiet, to not bother them so much, to don't take up too much time or space from their lives. And this happens a lot, unfortunately. But now you recognize that this is where this emotion is coming from. And then you ask yourself, okay, how can I reclaim this in a healthier way? And now that I know that this is triggering my shadow and it's not about the other person but about myself, I can work on it. So if I know that I was not allowed to be outspoken, to have visibility, I will work on maybe speaking out slowly at meetings. I will give my opinion, I will ask questions, I will start taking up time and space to build up that confidence because I know that personality trait is buried in the shadow. And that's just a very simple example of how can you in your daily life make small improvements by doing some shadow work.